In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change nickname on Marvel Rivals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, when you first start Marvel Rivals on any platform, you will be asked to input a nickname. So after you go ahead and you input this first one, you will have the freedom to change it whenever you wish. It's as simple as clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the home screen, and you will find this little pencil or edit icon. Immediately upon clicking this, you will get the option to buy the rename card. So even though you can freely change your name, it is going to cost you. So as you can see, this item enables you to change your name, but only once every 7 days, rather a week. Names already taken by other players are not available. So as long as you purchase this item that has one use per week, you will be able to change your name in Marvel Rivals. Your new nickname is going to be displayed immediately. You will keep all of your progress, and the only requirement besides using this card is that the name is available. So if someone already has the nickname that you want to use, you won't be able to actually purchase it. So you will need to use the in-game currency that you can also purchase for real money if you prefer, but it's as simple as purchasing this item. Sadly, I won't be able to show you the full extent of me changing my name, but once again, all that you have to do is go over to your character page by clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then clicking this little pencil icon to edit your nickname. After you change this, your new nickname is going to be displayed immediately across the entirety of the game, so the friends list, random public matches, everyone will see it, and you can use this card once per week. Just make sure that you purchase it with the appropriate currency and change your name according to your preferences. You will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish, as long as you have the currency and you meet the requirements. I hope I was able to help you on how to change nickname on Marvel Rivals. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.